Secure a hex nut to the end of a double-sided bolt. Insert the bolt through the top hole on one side of the black upright and the top hole of the chrome hangrail. Repeat this process for the bottom of the upright and hangrail. Place the other black upright against the chrome hangrail bar on the other side. Insert the double-sided bolt through the bottom hole and secure the hex nuts manually for the top and bottom bolts. Tighten down with a wrench. Repeat this process for the other end of the rack. Your installation is complete.